This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Spacious beach condo on Chesapeake Bay, side of shore drive, close to beach, restaurants, bike trails, state park, shopping and more. In the last 3 years, sellers have replaced windows, sliding doors, HVAC, water heater, flooring, stainless steel Frigidaire kitchen appliances. Roof replaced in 2021. Water and sewer are included in condo fees. Ring doorbell installed. 2 large bedrooms with their own baths, eat-in kitchen, wood-burning fireplace. Location, and desirable first floor unit. For more information, review the details below.